I'm going to be talking about some websites that can turn you into a hacker. I know that sounds like a clickbait title, but I promise you, it's not. These websites are all legitimate and offer a wealth of information and resources that can help you learn how to hack. Before I get started, I want to make it clear that I am not advocating for hacking or encouraging anyone to break the law. Hacking is a serious crime, and I do not want to be responsible for anyone getting into trouble. However, I do believe that it is important to understand how hacking works, and these websites can help you learn that. Hackerschool.com. Hackerschool.com is a great website for learning about hacking basics. They offer a variety of courses, including ethical hacking, network security, and web development. TryHackMe.com. TryHackMe.com is another great website for learning about hacking. They offer a variety of challenges that you can complete to test your skills. Offensive Security. Offensive Security is a company that offers a variety of hacking training courses. They are one of the most respected names in the hacking industry. Hacking Tutorials. Hacking Tutorials is a website that offers a variety of hacking tutorials. They cover a wide range of topics, from basic network security to advanced exploit development. Pentester Lab. Pentester Lab is a website that offers a variety of online hacking labs. You can use these labs to practice your hacking skills and learn new techniques. These are just a few of the many websites that can help you learn how to hack. I encourage you to explore these resources and see what you can learn. Remember, hacking is a serious crime, and you should always use your skills responsibly. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And be sure to check out my other videos on cybersecurity. Thanks for watching.